I just finished day 1 of U Miami Rush. This is what open house looks like. They bang on the door, and then the girls inside open it up, and then they line up. You guys line up, and they have a list of names, so they know who they're gonna get. And then they grab you by the arm, they lead you to a chair, and then everyone starts yapping at once. So it's a tiny ass room, and there's like 200 girls talking inside, so you can't hear shit. Everyone's yelling. My voice is dead. And when you're done with that house, they take you outside, you stand in silence for 15 minutes and go to the next door and the next house and the next, and repeat over and over and over. I asked the girls how they keep track of all the people they talk to, and they said they don't. So I don't know how they decide who they're gonna drop if they don't even remember who they talked to. All the girls were super sweet. It was just so overwhelming. Tomorrow we're waking up at 6 a.m. so we can see who dropped us. Hopefully I didn't get dropped by all 6. Good night.